Thank you for joining us for this video around the October 2021 Visa and Mastercard mandates changes. In this video, we're going to cover the updates from both Visa and Mastercard, the systemic changes that QFD has made to account for those updates, and the timeline for this to be active in our production environments. There are two main changes with the Mastercard mandates that will impact the recovery process. First, Mastercard has updated the rule for the recovery code 4837, no cardholder authorization. These changes are behind the scenes in QFD in the recovery flow. The other major change to the Mastercard recovery flow is regarding pre-arbitration. On pre-arbitration cases filed after October 17th, if the acquirer does not respond to the pre-arbitration within the allotted time, Mastercard will find the case in the favor of the issuer. There are several updates coming into effect from the Visa mandate changes, most of which are behind the scenes to both intake and fulfillment agents. For the intake agents, we will see the following changes to the questionnaires. There is a new question about the use of third-party gift cards for merchant service not received claims. Additionally, the question, "Did you cancel the service?" is no longer applicable for canceled service claims. Visa recognizes that the answer to that question is an implied yes based on the claim type. The last change to the questionnaire that agents might see is surrounding the question, "Where is the merchandise located?" This question was previously required for counterfeit merchandise claims and has been retired by Visa and replaced with, "Please describe the disposition of the merchandise." For fulfillment users, there is a variety of changes for the chargeback dependencies in Visa. These changes are all behind the scenes within QFD and should be seamless for the users processing the recovery actions. There is also a change to the pre-arbitration process. Compelling evidence is now only applicable for allocation flows. Collaboration no longer requires that question when pursuing pre-arbitration. Lastly, the Visa prepayment cancellation service is no longer supported. All Quavo clients that use PPCS should be migrated to the Visa Stop Payment Service, or VSPS. Support for this service was introduced into QFD earlier this year. These changes go into effect in QFD at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 17th. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to your client experience representative or click on the Contact an Expert link below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.